Hello all, welcome to another quick learning. Today I'm going to be going over how to lock down your Google Sheets and also to restore previous versions if changes were made that you are not happy with. So the reason why you want to lock things down is because you have multiple users making changes to your worksheets, and there may be some parts of the worksheets that you don't want actually changed. So first you're going to go to Data, and then you're going to go to Protected Sheets and Ranges. When you select that, this box will appear on the right side, and then there'll be a little thing saying add a sheet or range. If you click on that, you can enter a description. It's not really necessary. You can either do ranges or sheets. So a range, let's say we just want to lock down this header row. I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to select this little button here. It'll allow me to select the range. You can see after I select this, it updates it to my sheet, which is the sheet that we are working on. And then 1.1 means the entire first row here. Go ahead and click OK. And then by default, only you will be able to make the changes after this. If you want other users to be able to make changes, go ahead and set permissions. And then on this drop down, go ahead and select custom and then select the user's emails that you want to also be able to edit that range. Also, you can just show a warning when editing that range, so it'll pop up an error message kind of where it'll tell the user, are you sure you want to make this change, if you want to go that route. So you can go ahead and save that. So it's very similar if you want to restrict the use of a sheet. Just select your sheet from the list. You can accept certain cells, so you can say these cells people can change, but everything else no. Again, set the permissions in the same fashion. When you're done with that, you can see now my sheet, only I can edit it, and there's also this little lock icon that's appeared on that sheet to signify that sheet's been locked. Alright, so now you've got it locked down. Let's say before you were able to lock down your sheet, users were making changes that deleted some of the data you needed, or maybe changed some of the values and things where you don't know what it was before. So if you need to recover your position from a previous version, you go to File, you can go to Version History, and then there's this See Version History. So if you click on that, again you'll have this thing pop up on the right side. It takes a little bit of time to load, but you'll see all these previous versions. So I guess on August 17th I made some changes, and actually if I click this little triangle here, you can see there's even more changes that were made, so you can actually go at certain times and see what exact changes were made. But usually the specific day is enough. So if I click on, let's say the last change that was made on August 17th, you can go ahead and see what changed. And then if you think this is the version you want, go ahead and hit this restore this version, and then the master version will become this older version that we had before. It does take some time for it to load the different changes that you made, so it might take some time to load. But I'll just cancel this out here. Alright, so I showed you how to lock down ranges or sheets. Then I showed you how to recover previous versions in case either you or others make changes that you don't want implemented and you want to revert back to an old version. And I hope you found this was useful. Thank you very much.